Hi, I'm Paige Pradko. Welcome to Therapy for a Better Life. Today we're talking about anxiety disorders. And if you've been following along, you know that I have a system for treating anxiety that I call the C.A.L.M method. And C.A.L.M is an acronym where C stands for calming the body techniques, A is for accepting anxiety techniques, L is for logic, and those are working with our thoughts and techniques, CBT and DBT techniques, and M is for moving on, and that they primarily include distraction techniques. So today we're in the L section, we're in logic. But the concept I'm sharing is a little bit of a mixture of mindfulness and CBT, cognitive behavior therapy. And it was developed by Marsha Linehan, and it is a DBT, dialectical behavior therapy technique. So it is called WiseMind, and let me explain to you a little bit. So Marsha Linehan describes that there is a doing mind, a doing mindset. And in the doing mindset, people are just focused on the task and they're doing. They're not really thinking so much about what they're doing, but they're just very goal-oriented, getting stuff done. And they're ambitious and focused. And I think of engineers when I think of the doing mindset. And then there is a being mindset. In the being mindset, they're very present-oriented. They're curious, they're observing, they're noticing, just a lot of awareness. Now, Marsha Linehan combines the two. So imagine two concentric circles and they overlap. And in the middle would be the wise mind. The wise mind is a balance of the doing mind and the being mind. And so you bring them both together and you are enhancing your awareness as you're engaged in activities. So there's a purposeful use for this kind of mindset. Sometimes people get very overwhelmed, like emotionally overwhelmed, and they just can't focus on anything, and they just, they're really, really overwhelmed. And so the idea is saying to yourself, just in this one moment, use your wise mind. Kind of bring together, focus intentionally and fully on the activity at hand, on what you are doing. Just in this moment, just for this one task. Focus and have an increased awareness in what you are doing. Also, there is a concept of sometimes, does my emotion fit my situation? And, are you overreacting? Are you overwhelmed? And you can ask, what does your wise mind say? Again, the wise mind is this combination of the doing and the being mind. And it's just kind of, you can use it as like a wise counsel. Let me, just think here for a moment about, what am I doing at hand right now? What does my wise mind say? Can I bring full awareness and attention to what I am doing and what I am engaged in at the moment? So I like Marsha Linehan's concept of wise mind, and I think it's a wonderful thing for all of us to use. If you enjoy hearing different techniques for treating anxiety and other mental health topics, please subscribe to my channel and click here. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.